Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to my Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen. The team members should know their roles and responsibilities well. This is where RACI comes into play. Welcome to the new lecture in the define phase of Lean Six Sigma. In this lecture, we will study a very powerful tool called RACI matrix, which helps us to manage and allocate team members for various roles in the Six Sigma project. This lecture is divided into two parts. The first part will be for theory, and the second part will deal with RACI design with an example. I will give you an Excel sheet and teach you how to perform the RACI analysis with the Excel sheet in the practical zone of this lecture. But before that, let us try to understand what RACI means. In RACI, R stands for responsible, A stands for accountable, C for consulted, and I for informed. RACI matrix helps us to clarify roles and responsibilities in a cross-functional project amongst various stakeholders. Responsible people are those who actually do or complete the task. They are the doers or workers. There could be many workers or only one worker for a particular task. Accountable person is the one who is answerable for completion of the task. They may allocate the task to responsible and check the progress. They are job assigners. They sign off or approve the task. There should at least be one accountable person for any work that responsible person is doing. Consulted are subject matter experts and with whom there is two-way communication. There could be one or many consultants. Informed are those people who are kept up to date on progress. There could be one or many informed people in the project. Next, in the practice session, we will study about the steps of performing the RACI analysis. In the first step, you have to identify all the project activities and list them on the left side of the table like shown in the table. Then, we identify all the project roles and list them on top of the table like this. The third step is to complete the table mentioning the roles of different members on each project activity. Here we see that Mr. A is the sponsor and he is accountable for the allocation of resources needed for the project. There are two important rules to consider while drawing the RACI matrix. First rule, we have to ensure that at least one person is responsible and accountable. Second rule, there should not be more than one person accountable for one task of the project. Are you getting the clues of drawing the RACI matrix? Don't worry, you don't have to draw RACI matrix yourself. I will be giving you Excel template and teach you how to work with the template. Thank you so much for listening to me so far in this lecture as well. Welcome to the practical zone of the RACI analysis section. In this lecture, we will be dealing with drawing the RACI matrix. I have provided you an Excel sheet to draw RACI matrix. This is all free and you can get this template from the resources. Please do not forget to download the Excel sheet and work on it. Here in the Excel sheet that I have provided to you, you already have the columns for activity and members. You can see here that members are assigned their roles and this section also contains their name. If you feel confused with what RACI means, on the right hand side you can see the short descriptions. Please do not toss this part given in the red color. You should edit only the spaces given in the green color. You just have to click on the Excel spaces here and select the roles of different members from the drop-down menu. After this, you can select the table, copy it and paste it in your Six Sigma project documents. So that's all. Hope the Excel template that I have provided and this short tutorial will help you in designing your own RACI matrix. Please do not forget to download the template. Meet you in the next lecture. Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join my Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside my Lean University's online library and get tons of free courses, free books, and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, Agile and Scrum, Kaizen or continuous improvement, and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.